Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you on how to turn off notification on Snapchat. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are fairly new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your Snapchat. So I'm going to click on here. And the next thing you need to do is to simply click on here. And the next thing you need to do is to simply click on setting icon. And the next thing you need to do is to simply click on notifications. Then you have all the notifications right here. Now you can simply scroll down here and uncheck some of the notifications that you want to disable on your Snapchat. So right here, Bitmoji in notification. Your phone push, turn it off. So mention get notification when someone tag you on Snap, turn it off. You can check on as many the birthday, message reminder, turn it off. You can turn off notification as much as possible on Snapchat. This is depends on the kind of notification you would like to turn off. Comment notification, turn off. Map notification, turn off. So you can scroll down. Contact from friend, turn off, and it's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to simply turn off notification in Snapchat. I hope you really got fun for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.